In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce PDF file size in Adobe Acrobat if you share documents by email, upload them to portals, or need faster downloads. Shrinking a PDF can make a huge difference without noticeably affecting quality. We'll keep this simple and stick to the built-in quick compression that Acrobat provides. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat Pro on your computer. Go to the File menu at the top and choose Open. Navigate to the PDF you want to compress, select it, and let it load in Acrobat. Giving the file a moment to render ensures Acrobat reads all fonts and images before compression. With the document open, go back to the File menu and choose Reduce File Size. This is Acrobat's one-click compression option designed for speed and reliability. When the compatibility prompt appears, select Keep Existing. That setting tells Acrobat to maintain the current version compatibility of your PDF, which helps ensure it opens smoothly for anyone, even if they're using an older viewer. It also balances size reduction with visual fidelity, so text stays sharp and images remain clear enough for on-screen reading and everyday printing. If you're unsure which option to use, Keep Existing is the recommended and safest choice. After confirming that selection, click OK. Acrobat will process the file, applying lossless and gentle lossy techniques behind the scenes, like cleaning up embedded data and downsampling where appropriate. When the process completes, you'll be prompted to save. Choose the folder where you want the smaller copy to live. It's a good idea to give the file a new name, such as adding how reduced to the original name, so you can keep the uncompressed version for archival or high-end printing. Click Save, and let Acrobat write the optimized file. On most systems, this only takes a moment, but very large documents with lots of images may need a little extra time. That's the whole process. This approach is best for quick compression with minimal quality loss, making it ideal for email attachments, web submissions, and day-to-day sharing. Results will vary depending on how the PDF was created. Files with many high-resolution images typically shrink more, while already optimized or text-heavy documents may reduce only slightly. After saving, you can compare the new file size to the original in your File Explorer to see the difference. You've now reduced your PDF with just a few clicks using Adobe Acrobat. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a quick refresher while you work.